Welcome back to Brazen Brits. I'm Natalie.
My name is Lawrence.
And in this episode we are going to go over our top 3-ish rigs that we found at the Tampa RV show this year.
Probably the three coolest
rigs, or most interesting.
The most interesting to us.
So it's going to be fun. So roll the intro.
Let's roll the intro and we'll see you in a second.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Alright, we're going to go in a rig. I've never been in one of these before.
I've never even heard of it.
Really? It's because you don't see them around very much because they're so expensive.
It's all about the D.
So it's all about the D. This is the big D, the DRV Mobile Suites. And I think Sweet Travels, most people know them. They tow this with the HGV.
Oh, that's one of these.
So yes, and they have the smart car on the back. So this is a massive fifth wheel.
46 foot.
It's 40.
Blimey ho.
I don't even want to know how much this thing weighs, but this one has
It's estimated dry weight of 20,215
Really?
off the top of my head.
Okay, and this is $281,000 for a fifth wheel.
That's not terrible. Oh no, okay, yeah. Let's go look inside.
So I mean it smells amazing in here.
It does.
Like a lot of RVs, I don't like the new smell. We were talking about this earlier with Wayward Wags, yeah. Sorry if the lights are flickering, it's the LEDs, but yeah, it smells different. Like other RVs I don't like the new smell of RVs. This one's quite nice. But I mean, it's the little things, right? That's what makes up the money of this. One is the storage, it's, you know, it still has the same appliances, which I'm a little bit put off by, but the one thing I do not like, which I love Grand Design for,
Okay.
the floor vents.
Oh yeah. Oh, the dogs would get their nails cut.
Dogs get caught, all of the fluff and dirt and everything, you sweep it in there, cleaning that out is a real pain. So
Yeah.
Grand Design don't do that, they put it on the side or the ceiling. But I mean the thing is huge. This is just a fifth wheel, this is bigger than our first apartment that we bought. And like the quality of the cabinets and things, it's all the little things, the quality like that, that's the money for this, and obviously the size and the weight and the storage and things. It's pretty cool. We've never been in one of these, and this is called the Airstream BaseCamp X.
Yes. It's
very
really
small.
cool from the outside.
It is.
I mean,
very
it's cool inside too.
But it is. But it's more like this is like a weekender
Yes.
kind of thing. So you have a nice seating area here. It's really cool inside. Like it's all the aluminum
I like
stuff.
these hangy things.
Yeah, it's very, you know, microwave, a small fridge. But for the size, it's amazing how spacious this feels
Yes.
and how much stuff they've got in here. So obviously this seating area over here folds out to a bed. I guess most people just leave that as a bed and just have this seating area. Where's the TV?
Ooh. Oh, I don't think it has one, Lawrence.
Well, there you go. There is no TV in here, which honestly it's a weekend thing, right? So this is for people. This is for people going hiking. So, but the bathroom, yeah, the toilet and bathroom, it's a wet bath, so the toilet and the shower is all put in one.
Cute.
It has a little back door there, which is cool. Not really sure what this is for. Someone must know more about this than us. So if you know, yeah, just have a look. But just check this out outside. It's really, really cool. Right, so the cool thing about this, the GVWR of this is like 4600. So this is incredibly light. In theory, I guess there's probably some SUVs that you could tow this with. I prefer to be safer than sorry, but I'm guessing a half-ton truck will be fine for this. Our 3/4 ton 250, no problem at all. But yeah, you could tow this with an F-150, something like that. But that's pretty cool for the weekend.
That's cute. I like it.
It's no price.
I would be polishing it all the time,
That's
though.
true. That's true. But
I got a smudge. No.
yeah, I bet it's got the anti-smudge thing.
It's
but
got to.
there's no details of price.
No.
Have you seen one, Natalie?
No.
No price on here, so sorry. It's the BaseCamp X model. I'm gonna guess it's over 100 grand. 100 grand, I reckon. All right, we've been told that we have to come and see Brinkley RV. Literally everyone we've spoken to, we have to come and see this. So this is the Brinkley RV fifth wheel. Price for this, Model Z 3100, but the price, I thought the price was going to be a lot because everyone is raving about it, and it's not. It's actually only 84,000, which I think is pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty much in line with everything else. So anyway, let's go see what the fuss is about. What do you think?
I like the white.
The interior design is not like anything I've seen.
No, it's very unique over there with like the couches being different colours and a table. Couldn't have the table with dogs. And I like.
It's got an island, Natalie. Natalie doesn't like the island.
But I like the seating area there. If you get rid of the table, at least it's still. And you can put the dog crate under this table as well because look, there's loads of space. So yeah, it's different. If you're in.
Stroll up.
Fridge.
Can you get changed in the bedroom?
Oh yes I can, Lawrence. And I could twirl in my ball gown in here. That's fantastic. I don't like the claustrophobicness of the. There's no like little. I like look at the shelves above the curtains. That's kind of cute. But that's going to be a pain in the ass to change this bed. Love the shower. It's a rain one.
So I think the cool thing about this is the interior design. The slides are flat as well. I mean, this is really cool. Like, I love the design. It's real basic, simple. Everything's really cool. Love it. I love the blinds. There's no things around the blinds. I see what they mean. This is a good buy. I like this. Alright, we didn't even notice, right next to the fifth wheel we just looked at, there is a Brinkley Toy Hauler as well. This is basically the same interior, but it's a toy hauler with a back deck.
And steps.
And steps. Whoa, oh, there's a slope here, by the way. So there is steps so you can get off the deck. A lot of them don't have that. You have the bed, the Happy Jack bed. So very similar to most of the other ones. And there's a tiny little bunk bed up here. And a second toilet. Which a lot of people love. Apparently we need it. I'm fine with the one we have. All right, there are some guys working in here, so I'm just I'm just going to carry on. So yeah, the interior is really good, but this is nice. And even though that TV is up and to the side, I think it's doable. We could do that.
Not a lot of space for the dogs.
Oh, genius.
Genius might be a bit hard.
Cutting board. Okay, nice.
I don't know if you saw this right here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Extra counter space.
so then we can get it. You can eat.
It's a slide.
Adjustable shelves, drawers at the bottom.
Awesome. Leslie's gonna love that.
Go on. What just happened? I didn't hear it.
There's a built-in air fryer.
So it's not a microwave, it's not convection oven.
Well, I think it's
Or is
kind of
it?
both.
It's both, yeah.
Yeah.
Both and an air fryer.
That's cool.
Set up for a little bit.
It's just a tray.
Yeah, I know, but it's such a good idea. I can twirl around in my ball dress in here as well, Lawrence.
Alright, so this is pretty much exactly the same, right?
Yes.
So instead of having the area at the back, which is
It's a seating
back
area.
living, it's kind of made a smaller kitchen, but you have the toy hauler area in the back with a double bed.
How much was this
But
one?
I don't know. Let's go and find out.
I wanna
This is
become
the
a Brinkley
G3500.
rep. Sign me up.
Yeah, Brinkley. If you give us one of these, we will promote the crap out of this. Oh, it's just that story. It's just a van.
It's just a van.
Right, as we said, we kind of love the vans. We've been, I love van life as well. I watch a lot of the channel, and Natalie particularly likes a van so she can take it to dog shows. She does a lot of agility competitions and things. Plus it means we can go away for a weekend, you know, and it's just so easy. You jump in the van and go. And these, like the van, we couldn't decide if we were ever to do a van. We like to dream about it, and so anyway, we'd have the long wheelbase, high rooftop, 4x4 lifted with everything in it, and it's that's expensive, by the way. Just the van, a plain 170 high rooftop 4x4 van is about 100,000. Plus, then you probably need to spend, if you did it yourself, like 25,000 to actually do the interior. So this is actually Mercedes. They're doing their own builds now, and so these are the 4x4 knobbly tyres, proper off-roading vans with campers and showers and toilets and everything. So these are really fantastic. And weirdly enough, a lot of the manufacturers actually use the Mercedes vans to build out theirs. So Airstream do that. They use the Mercedes vans. But love them. Love them. Well, Natalie,
Yes.
I'm going to tell you, I'm completely overwhelmed by everything here. I know we've done this for 2 years in a row. This is our 3rd year, but walking in and out, I'm trying to figure out what I like and don't like, and
Or just where we are.
just, yeah, we're lost. We don't really know where we are.
No.
So, what are you thinking?
What am I thinking? About what?
The rigs we've seen.
Oh, like what's my favourite?
Yeah, like the ones we've toured. We obviously haven't done every single rig, but we've been through a lot.
I don't know, that Brinkley is standing out. I can see why it won
It is.
Best in Show. So I think, you know, we've given them an overview of all of the, well, not all of them, some of the rigs that are here. So obviously there's loads more to come and see, so go for it. But I definitely do say come and see the Brinkleys.
All right, we are going to call it here.
Yes.
And we've got a lot of stuff going on with the show this week, so hopefully you watched our lives. Hopefully this is a pretty good overview. We're going to be back to normal stuff next week, where we bring someone along for RV life and we get their thoughts and opinions and experiences about RV life, which we hope you will enjoy.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the join button if you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits. And we also have a thanks button, so if this was helpful and you enjoyed it, please hit the thanks button. We'll put a video up here. We'll see you next week.
Next week.